Hey guys, this is part 2 of the September CURLBOX, and if you didn't catch my previous video, the link is in the description below. Go ahead, check it out and let me know what you think. So today is wash day, and unfortunately I can't use all of these products in my hair because some of them are actually the same thing. This is a leave-in and this is also a leave-in. So this is the one I'm going to try. I've heard many good things about this brand. I'll be using the Denman brush to detangle my hair. Hey guys, okay, so it is time for wash day, and my hair has been neglected for over a week now. You can see I still have my curls. This was actually from the Maui video, so if you remember when I did it, this is actually like a week of curls. So now that I got my hair all saturated with water, I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections. Now I'm going to go in with the detangler. Now it's time to use a Denman brush to actually detangle my hair. My hair is now all detangled with these 2 products and water, of course. Now it's time to shampoo. I'm going to be using the Grandma Ruth's Kingston Curl Cleansing Shampoo. This shampoo is so good, guys. I have a review on my Instagram page, so you can check it out. I will also link this specific video in the description below. Now that my hair is clean, I'm actually going to deep condition, and this is the L'Amour London Deeply Restored Conditioner. So if you want to know more about this deep conditioner, check the link in the description below, because this video is on Instagram. Now this conditioner is so thick. My hair is all washed and cleaned. Feels amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead, section my hair into 4, and then I am going to use the leave-in conditioner. Smells amazing though. Smells like a perfume I used to use back in high school. Okay. Wow. My hair is feeling really soft right now. I don't want to use too much, and I think maybe I used too much right here. And it's still giving me curls, so that is really good. Okay, so this is what I was afraid of, maybe using too much, because when I'm styling my hair, I don't want when I style my hair I will get, flakes. Okay, welcome back, guys. Now it is time for styling my hair. So I already used the leave-in. What I'm going to do next is to use the Nourish and Shine Frizz-less. This is a liquid gel curl primer. And it says that before styling, apply this to wet, damp or dry hair, and it should be applied in sections, smooth evenly from root to tip, and we can follow up with our favorite styler. I did get a little packet of the Incredible Curl Spray, but this is not going to do my whole hair. Use the Mish Beauty Curl Defining Mousse. And this is the style I am hoping to get. My hair is already in 4 sections, and I'm gonna split it in 2. My hair is already damp as well from the wash, and I'm actually going to do a twist out. So let me just put the hair behind there, and we're gonna go in with this. Oh wow, and still too much came out. Okay, this is a bit messy for me. It smells really good though. I'm just gonna use, how much was that? 2-3 pumps? I don't even remember. I think maybe I need more. You can see the mousse is actually enhancing my curls. Okay, so I'm going to flat twist this section. Okay, it looks good to me. Okay guys, so I managed to finish this section here, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm telling you, this was very challenging. This is even, I think I maybe need a bobby pin to secure it more. Actually place the elastic band around it, but I think maybe a bobby pin will secure it more. So I'm going to do the 3rd row. This was really challenging though, and this is what this is why I say, like, for 2023 I'm gonna start doing some more styles, because I need to master styling my hair other than just have the regular braid out or twist out. You know, having a little style can actually jazz up your hair. Okay. Okay, let me just tighten the, oh wow, I forgot about this section. Okay. Maybe what I can do then is to, okay. I'm going to 2-strand twist here, so hopefully it doesn't look anyway Okay, let me see if I can I can duplicate the same bun. Okay. I mean, they look similar-ish. They look similar-ish. I mean, okay. I see the vision. Alright. Okay, so that's enough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the diffuser, dry my hair, and then I'm going to do the take down at the metal cuffs here to accessorize the style. And I will be back with you. Hey guys, okay, welcome back. I'm going to be real with you. I didn't actually get to finish my video the same day. I was extremely exhausted. So these twists are actually 2 days old, and I'm going to take them down and reveal the final look for this style. Okay, are we loving this twist out though? Look on my curls. Alright, let me take this down. So I used the the grabber to actually just give it a little volume here. You can't really see it from the front, but I know if I turn around you may see it a little. However, I am actually loving this hairstyle. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. So what you think? Would you rock this? I mean, I'm really loving this. Period. But that's it for me, guys. Thank you again so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with a friend. Until next time, bye.